This is one of the most empowering short stories I have read in a long time, and it delivers a powerful message. A gentleman was passing through an elephant camp, and all of a sudden he stopped. The gentleman spotted that the elephants weren't being kept in cages or held by the use of chains. All that was holding them back from escaping the camp was a small piece of rope tied to one of their legs. It was obvious that the elephants could at any time break away from their bonds, but for some reason they did not. As the man gazed upon the elephants, he was completely confused as to why the elephants didn't just use their strength to break the rope and escape the camp. It was surprising for him the fact that these huge creatures were being held by only a small rope tied to their front leg. While his mind was still pondering, he saw a trainer nearby. He stepped towards the trainer and asked, "May I ask why these magnificent animals just stood there and made no attempt to get away when they could easily do that?" The trainer smiled and replied, "Well, when they are very young and much smaller, we use the same size rope to tie them, and at that age, it's enough to hold them. As they grow up, they are conditioned to believe they cannot break away. They believe the rope can still hold them, so they never try to break free." This amazed the gentleman completely. These animals could at any time break free from their bonds, but just because they believed they couldn't, they were stuck right where they were. The story of the elephants is somehow metaphoric for life. Do you have elephant mindset? Like the elephants, how many of us go through life hanging onto a belief false that we cannot do something, and that too simply because we failed at it once before? I think that every one of us can relate to this story. The feeling of having failed at something or another over the years. Over the time, we may have begun to believe that we are not capable enough of doing a particular thing. We accept this as the truth and limit ourselves to a very confined world. No matter how much the world tries to hold you back, always continue with the belief that you can and you will do it. You can achieve whatever you dream in your life. Believing you can become successful is the most important step in actually achieving it. The false fears, obstacles, and challenges should not stop you to get the success and happiness you deserve. Come out of elephant mindset. So, what are you waiting for? Don't you want to come out of that elephant mindset? Stop blaming other people, relations, or situations, and be aware of your unlimited potential. Break the false belief system and start working towards your dreams and goals. You may fail 1,000 times, but I personally believe that regret is a far stronger feeling than failure. So break free your ropes and try no matter the outcome. The first step to success is the simple decision to try. Now it is the time to stop fearing and start believing.